Verifying Brevo domains is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Currently, I'm on developers.brevo.com, where the instructions guide us on how to authenticate and validate our domains. There are two main methods for this. The first method involves validating the debate configuration. You'll be provided with a code to use, which you can see here. Simply follow the instructions provided, which include using the endpoint HTTPS and your domain name with the GET method to validate your domain. The response for the request would look something like this. This response includes information about the verification status. The second method follows a similar process. You will receive a response like this. Essentially, these are the steps and input you will need to validate your domain. While this process might be challenging for those unfamiliar with coding, it's primarily a back-end task. That's essentially it.